In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you should be starting dropshipping in 2024 even if you have no money. And that's not all, because I'm also giving you 5 winning products you can start selling today. Plus, I'm going to show you exactly how to make more money by upselling your customers. And also give you a secret advertising strategy that you probably haven't heard of before that's going to dramatically boost your dropshipping sales. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss free methods and paid methods for every step of the dropshipping process. Finding the right product for dropshipping is pretty straightforward and you can do it 2 ways. Firstly, there's the free method, which involves searching for hashtags on TikTok. Look for hashtags like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds to spot viral dropshipping products. This approach requires some effort, but it can be highly effective and it's also completely free. The second method is the paid way, and you can do this by using a paid product research platform. These platforms basically hand you the products with no effort required on your part, which makes the process super easy. Once you've picked your product, the next step is to set up your store on Shopify. They offer a free trial, which I'll leave a link for in the description, so you won't have to spend any money. After setting up your store, order your product from a supplier like Amazon and start creating your own TikTok content to promote it. If your TikTok videos go viral, you could drive significant traffic and sales to your website without spending any money on advertising. However, it's important to note that this process isn't as easy as some people might think. It requires more than just following these steps. Success with dropshipping depends on the right approach and dedication. But don't worry, because with the proper mindset and commitment, anyone can make it work. Now, let's get into the video. As I've mentioned, there are 2 ways to find your product for dropshipping. I use the method that might be new to many of you, but I've talked about it in a previous video. It's a paid product research platform called Zendrop, but they also offer a free plan. The truth is that using a paid platform like Zendrop can yield much better results than you trying to find the product on your own. Most beginners with dropshipping go for the free product research method on TikTok, but this method is becoming increasingly competitive. Don't worry though, because I'm going to show you both methods. Let's start with how I found my product using Zendrop. So this right here is Zendrop, and I'm currently using a test account to demonstrate the features of the platform, and this allows me to showcase how the system works without using a real account. So on this platform, you'll be able to see all the necessary details for managing your dropshipping business the best way possible. This includes seeing all your incoming orders, tracking the number of orders you fulfilled, monitoring your sales and cost, and accessing other important information you need for your dropshipping store. But the key feature we're focusing on is the Find Products section, and Zendrop has a catalog with millions of products offering a wide variety to choose from, and you can easily add any of these products to your store by clicking Add to Import List. And basically, this feature simplifies the process of filling up your store with winning product. Additionally, the platform provides useful filters to refine your search, because you can filter products based on where they ship from, the product category, the supplier, and even the price range. So this level of customization ensures you find products that work well with your business model and target market. And by the way, it's important to mention that you're not limited to only selling products listed in Zendrop's catalog, and this flexibility allows you to expand your product offerings beyond what is immediately available on the platform, giving you the opportunity to advertise your store to specific niches or customer preferences. So basically, what I mean by that is that if you get an order for a product that you added to your Shopify store that Zendrop doesn't have, you can just go to My Products, go onto Store Listings, and it will show up here, and you can just source it with their team, and they will find and source the product for you within 24 hours so you can continue selling it. Once you begin receiving orders through your store, you can utilize the auto fulfillment feature provided by the platform, and this convenient feature automatically handles the process of orders as they come in, which significantly simplifies the fulfillment process for you. Also, the platform offers a branding option, and by activating this feature, you can personalize your products and packaging. This section allows you to add your own branding elements such as a logo, a title, a custom message, or any other branding details you prefer. And with this customization, each order that is fulfilled and sent out to your customers will carry your unique branding, enhancing the overall customer experience and reinforcing your brand identity. So this personal touch can be a key differentiator in the market, which helps build your brand's recognition and reputation. There's also the AliExpress import tool, where you can just add an AliExpress link of any product you want, and it will add it to your Shopify store. And another feature, and actually my favorite, is the trending products section located just below the main interface. And this section highlights products that are currently going viral, essentially the hot selling items on Zendrop. It's a really useful tool for staying on top of market trends and identifying products that are likely to attract a lot of customer interest. And it's important to note that these additional features, including the trending products, are exclusive to the paid plan of the platform. So if you're interested in accessing these enhanced capabilities, you would need to subscribe to Zendrop Plus. And this paid plan unlocks a range of advanced features that can significantly benefit your dropshipping business by giving you insights into popular products and making the process of your dropshipping store super simple. Right now, Zendrop has a special offer for anyone that uses my link in the description. You'll get 50% off the first month for the Plus plan, $200 in order credits for fulfilling orders, and they'll even build you a custom store for free, including some of their top winning products. So that was a rundown rundown of the paid product research method that I use to find my product. But if you're interested in a free approach to product research, let's get into that. For free product research, you'll primarily use TikTok, but you can also get creative and use Instagram or YouTube. Start by searching for popular hashtags like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds. Then filter the search to show the most popular TikToks from the past month or even week. This helps identify products that are currently trending. Products with a high number of likes indicate their success in the dropshipping market. But don't stop at TikTok. The next step is to go on Amazon and search for similar products to the one you found on TikTok. For example, if you discovered a trending workout product on TikTok, search Amazon for other top-selling fitness or workout equipment. This approach allows you to fill up your dropshipping store with a range of potential products and not just one that you found on TikTok. Using this strategy also helps you avoid selling products that are already too oversaturated in the market. I've put together this method in several of my dropshipping stores, which led to thousands of dollars in sales after finding a winning product on TikTok. By including similar products from Amazon, I was able to attract a broader customer base. Spend a good amount of time on TikTok researching before settling on a product. It's a common mistake to try selling the most viral products, which often isn't successful. Focus on finding unique yet high demand product. Now you might wonder what to look for in a product. There are two main things to consider. The first thing is that the product should serve a purpose or solve a specific problem. This drives demand as people are more likely to buy products that address their needs. The second thing is your profit margin. You should aim to sell your product for at least 3 to 4 times your cost. This ensures profitability, giving you space for marketing expenses, discounts, and still making a good profit. When choosing a product for dropshipping, always keep these factors in mind. Products that solve problems and have high profit margins are more likely to thrive in the competitive dropshipping market. Now, let me introduce you to the 5 winning products that I've carefully handpicked from the ZenDrop catalog. You can effortlessly start selling these today on your own Shopify dropshipping store. So guys, this is the first product on our list today, and it's called the Super Absorbent Draining Mat. And the reason I think it's a winner is because it's a game changer in maintaining a tidy and hygienic kitchen. Basically, this mat excels in absorbing water and preventing spills from coffee or other liquids, so you can clearly see that it solves a problem, and it's not just durable but also soft to the touch, and it only costs anywhere from $1 to $3, so you have plenty of room for profit margins, and it's a great product in my opinion. The second product on our list today is called the Miss Microwave Oven Steam Cleaner, and the reason I think this is a winner is because obviously, as you can see, it solves a problem, but this product also has a wow factor because it's something you don't see very often, and it's just unique in its own way. I think it's a revolutionary product that transforms the chore of cleaning your microwave into a simple, efficient task. And what makes it a standout dropshipping item is that it harnesses the power of a natural steam, making it incredibly effective against stubborn, dried-on food and unpleasant smells, far outperforming traditional cleaning methods. So this product also costs just under $1, and you can probably sell this for like $20 to $30 if you do it right. Now, the third winning product that you can start selling today is something called a Scalp Meridian Massage Brush, and obviously this is a product meant to be targeted towards women, so right away you already know that it's a potential winner because products in the women's niche tend to be easier to sell and to go viral with. And this product is also a breakthrough in personal relaxation and scalp care, because what sets this product apart as a winning dropshipping product is that it's ingeniously designed to provide a relaxing scalp massage effortlessly, allowing the customer to unwind while the brush does all the work. And this product costs just under $2, so again, you have amazing profit margins, and I'm pretty confident that you can build a one-product dropshipping store around this product and make tons of money with it. The fourth winning product is Automatic Electronic Snake Cat Toys, and this is a product in the pets niche, mainly targeted towards cat owners, and I can really see this product making 6 or even 7 figures. The reason for that is because you can easily sell it for 3 to 4 times your cost. It's in a niche that is easy to sell in, and the product is actually quite interesting, and it's something that I would buy for my cat if I had one. So this is an innovative toy designed to keep the customer's pet endlessly entertained. And what makes this toy a winning choice for dropshipping is that it's not just a cat toy, it's an interactive experience that mimics the movements of a rattlesnake, which captivates the pet's attention, which a lot of pet owners are looking for. Now, the fifth and final winning product on today's list is called the Electric Heated Car Snow Scraper, and this is a great product, especially now because it's winter and there's a lot of snow going on, especially in the United States and Canada, which are great countries to target for e-commerce. And the product is a bit on the expensive side, but you can probably sell it for double and maybe even triple your cost. I believe you can advertise this as a must-have tool for those cold winter months. And what sets this product apart as a great dropshipping winner is its innovative approach to a common winter challenge, basically designed to simplify the task of ice removal because it ensures clear visibility for drivers during frosty weather. So those were the 5 winning products that I believe have amazing potential, which you can start selling today. And you can find all of these products on ZenDrop's catalog within the trending products section. So make sure you check it out with the link in the description. Next up in building your dropshipping business is setting up your website on Shopify. if you're new to dropshipping, Shopify is an excellent choice. It's very popular among beginners and it's quite user-friendly. Even if you're not super experienced with tech, you can set up a basic site in just a few hours. In fact, creating a website is one of the easiest parts of dropshipping, which is why this section isn't that long. For designing your website logo, canva.com is an incredibly useful resource. I frequently use it because it's both easy and free. Shopify significantly streamlines the store building process. You can start by selecting one of their free themes like Dawn or Refresh. For product photos, you can find appealing images on Google by searching up your product's name. But when it comes to writing clear and engaging product descriptions, ChatGPT can be a helpful tool if you provide it with enough information about your product. Choosing a domain for your website is also straightforward because of Shopify's built-in domain feature. Just enter your desired store name and Shopify will check if it's available. If it is, registering the domain costs almost nothing. You'll soon be on your way to having a fully functional dropshipping website. Additionally, Shopify offers a trial at just $1 per month, which is a great deal for beginners who want to start with minimal upfront investment. I'll include a link to this offer in the video description. If the thought of building a website on Shopify still seems tough, don't worry. I've created an easy-to-follow YouTube tutorial that will guide you through the entire process. I'll include the link to this tutorial in the video description, so make sure you check it out. This tutorial is designed to simplify website building even for those who are new to this. Now guys, if you want to make more money with every customer that your dropshipping store gets, all you need to do is upsell. And what I mean by that is that you need to have more similar products on your store related to the main product that you're selling. This way, when a customer buys your main product, they get offered a special discount for a second product after they make the purchase. What this does is it basically increases your average order value, and this can be a big determining factor in whether or not your products are actually winners. So there's many apps out there that allow you to easily upsell your customers on Shopify. I'm not sponsored by any of them, but I believe one called Upcart is really good, and this is just my personal preference. There are countless apps on the Shopify App Store focused on upselling and bundling, but many of them contradict my understanding of buyer psychology in dropshipping. The type of customers we deal with in dropshipping are always looking for good deals, but they are also aware that they're making impulse purchases. Every single interruption in the buying process can reduce the conversion rate. Therefore, in my store, I don't use pop-ups or prompts to subscribe to email lists. Your aim is to close the sale as quickly as possible and keep product descriptions concise, as a longer buying process gives the customer time to second guess their impulse purchase. Therefore, pre-purchase upsell pop-ups can actually lower your conversion rate. Even if these upsells increase your average order value, they might drop your conversion rate to a point where it doesn't justify the higher order value. You need to look at all the stats together to determine what works. Don't just focus on the increase in average order value. Consider if the decrease in conversion rate is worth it. Often it's not, and it's essential to do the math, conduct split testing, and look at the stats. One other common upsell app is One-Click Upsell. I've used it a lot and generated thousands of dollars in revenue. However, I found that it doesn't justify the increase in average order value due to the decrease in conversion rate. The reason is that One-Click's checkout process being off-site is much slower, and it increases the time it takes for a customer to complete their purchase, therefore reducing your conversion rate. To properly upsell a customer, it should be done post-purchase and in Shopify. It should not increase the checkout time. So the correct way to upsell is post-purchase, ensuring that it doesn't lengthen the checkout process. Always remember that every business decision, including choosing apps, should be based on whether it genuinely benefits your business, and not just because it's popular in the Shopify App Store. Now, let's get into the best ways to advertise your products or store, which is important for your success in dropshipping. Firstly, create dedicated social media accounts on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Starting is easy. Just design a free logo on Canva for your profile picture, add a product description in your bio, and include a link to your store. This sets up your online presence. A significant portion of your sales will likely come from organic advertising, especially on TikTok. This platform is currently one of the most effective for dropshipping, as it offers high profit margins without any advertising costs. Once your website and social media accounts are ready, get your product in real life as soon as possible. You can order it from Amazon using the product name or related keywords. However, gaining views and creating content on TikTok might not be as easy as it seems. It's not just about making one viral video. You need to post consistently on your social media platforms. Due to the way social media algorithms work, consistency is key. Creating high quality content can be time consuming, but it's essential. There's a lot of competition in dropshipping, so your content really needs to stand out. One strategy is to take inspiration from viral videos of your competitors and add your own unique twist to them. For instance, if a workout product is trending, create your own version of that content to increase your chances of going viral. Demonstrate your product's effectiveness and keep your content engaging and valuable. Pay attention to small details like good lighting, a clean camera lens, and the right hashtag. Using about 3 relevant hashtags can significantly boost your visibility. These details can greatly impact your success in dropshipping. Mastering this advertising method and understanding how it works is crucial. It's what separates those who make a living from dropshipping and those who don't. With dedication and the right approach, you can successfully leverage social media to boost your dropshipping business. Now, as promised, let's get into the secret method or strategy that I use, which notably helped me make lots of money with dropshipping. I'm still selling my product, so I have to keep it under wraps for now, as revealing it might lead to an unnecessary amount of competitors. What I can share is that the product is in the women's health and beauty category. I'll outline the process I use, which you can apply to your own products or your store. As mentioned earlier, posting daily on TikTok and Instagram can yield really good results. Consistency is vital. In the first week alone with dropshipping, I was making a few $1,000s with this approach. But the real game changer was influencer marketing, and here's how it works. The first step is to find influencers by heading over to TikTok or Instagram and looking for influencers in your product's niche. Focus on those with 30,000 to 100,000 followers, as those won't be as expensive as more famous ones. The second step is reaching out, so aim to compile a list of 50 to 100 influencers. Send them all a message offering a free sample or a discount code to your product for their followers. The third step is collaboration. Many influencers will be interested in receiving a free product or offering a discount to their followers. Once you've reached out to a good number of influencers, a few will respond positively. The fourth step is to replicate viral content. Get these influencers to create content similar to viral videos using your product. They already have the audience and are more likely to go viral than a new account. This technique can drive significant traffic to your store. Imagine collaborating with an influencer who has 20,000 followers and ends up going viral with your product. It could result in substantial sales. The cost is minimal because it's often just the shipping cost of sending the product to the influencer. This is the method that I've consistently used to generate significant revenue in a short period of time, and it has been successful across several of my dropshipping stores. Once influencers start bringing in sales, you can begin paying them a small fee, like $50 to $100 for more content. This investment can lead to ongoing revenue for your business. If you're truly committed to making money in e-commerce, I highly recommend joining the Inner Circle. I created this platform specifically for individuals eager to succeed in the online money-making scene. The access fee to this platform is just $25, which is a great value considering what it offers. It includes over 12 courses on various aspects of making money online, all of which I've personally developed. One of the standout courses focuses on e-commerce dropshipping, which provides in-depth knowledge and practical tips. Additionally, there's a section for fitness and diet. I put this together for those who are not only interested in financial success, but also in getting in their best physical shape. It's a comprehensive resource that caters to both your financial goals and personal well-being. So don't hesitate to check out the Inner Circle. You can find the link in the video description. I firmly believe that it's a valuable resource that can help you significantly in your money-making journey and your fitness. This could be the opportunity that you've been waiting for. So make sure to check it out with the link in the description. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you watch the next one that should pop up somewhere on the screen.